Good morning, children. Today we shall revise the chapter 3 Need for Clothes. Why do we wear clothes? We wear clothes to cover our body. Clothes protect us from heat, cold, and rain. Clothes also protect us from the dirt and dust around us. We should always wear clean and neat clothes. Clean and neat clothes help us to look smart. Children, we have 3 seasons. Which are the 3 seasons? Summer, winter and rainy. So, we wear clothes according to the season. First, summer. In summer, it is very hot. So, we wear cotton clothes in summer. We also wear light colored clothes. Clothes like this help to keep us cool. Then we have winter. In winter, it is very cold. So, we wear woolen clothes in winter. We also wear dark colored clothes. Clothes like this help to keep us warm. Then we have the rainy season. In rainy season, we wear a raincoat over our clothes. They keep us dry. Raincoats are made of plastic or rubber. We also carry an umbrella during the rainy season. Sometimes we wear gumboots to protect our feet. Children, you know that some people who do the same kind of work, they have special clothes. This is called a uniform. For example, the postman, soldier, porter, the doctor, the policeman, the pilot, the nurse, the firefighter, they all have their own uniforms. Children, you also wear a uniform when you go to school, and it is very compulsory to wear a neat and clean uniform to school. It makes you look smart. So children, we wear clothes according to different season. Now draw and color 2 things which we use in the rainy season. Children, you can draw in your notebook an umbrella or a raincoat. Draw and color the picture. Some people wear special clothes to work. Read the given clues and fill in the missing letters. Someone who helps to work to look after patients in a hospital. Who is that, children? Nurse. N-U-R-S-E, nurse. N-U-R-S-E, nurse. Someone who helps to look after patients in a hospital. Nurse. Number 2, someone who fights for the country. Who is he? The soldier. S-O-L-D-I-E-R. Soldier. Someone who fights for the country. Soldier. S-O-L-D-I-E-R. Someone who carries luggage at a railway station. Porter. P-O-R-T-E-R. Porter. Someone who brings a letter. Who is he? the postman. 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 Someone who brings our letters. Postman. Postman. Someone who help fight fire. Fireman. Firefighter. Firegher. Firefighter. Someone who helps fight fires. Firefighter. Firegher. Now children will do the revision of chapter 4, keeping clean. We must keep ourselves clean. We must keep ourselves clean. If we do not, we can fall sick. If we do not, we can fall sick. Remember to follow some rules to keep your body clean. First, have a bath every day. Have a bath every day. Have a bath every day. Brush your teeth in the morning. When you wake up, brush them also at night before going to bed. Brush your teeth in the morning. When you wake up, brush them also at night before going to bed. Number 3. Wash your hair when it is dirty. Wash your hair when it is dirty. Comb your hair every day. Comb your hair every day. Cut your nails and keep them clean. Cut your nails and keep them clean. Wash your hands before and after every meal. Wash your hands before and after every meal. We can keep disease away from ourselves by keeping clean. Children, a healthy mind resides in a healthy body, and to keep ourselves healthy, cleanliness is very, very important. Cleanliness is very, very important. Cleanliness is the best way to remain healthy. Cleanliness is the best way to remain healthy. Cleanliness is next to godliness. Cleanliness is next to godliness. A neat and clean child is liked and loved by everyone. And as you are presently staying at your homes, you have a nice chance to follow these rules to make yourself neat, clean and tidy. You have a nice chance to follow these rules to make yourself neat, clean and tidy. So children, these are the few rules we must follow to keep our body clean. Children, now we'll do this activity. Underline the correct answer in each statement. Number 1, we must not keep ourselves clean. What is the correct answer? Must. So underline must. We must keep ourselves clean. We must take a bath every day, every week. We must take a bath every day. We should not wash our hair. We should wash our hair. It is important to brush our teeth at least twice, only once a day. It is important to brush our teeth at least twice a day. We must wash our hands before a meal. We must wash our hands before a meal. We should change our clothes every day, every week. We should change our clothes every day. It is also important to wear dirty, clean socks and shoes. It is also important to wear clean socks and shoes. Now look at these pictures. They show the ways of keeping ourselves clean. Now we'll label them. First picture, brushing teeth. First picture, brushing teeth. Second, taking bath. Second, taking bath. Third, cutting nails. Third, cutting nails. Fourth, combing hair. Fourth, combing hair. These are all the good habits we should follow to remain healthy. So, we have done the revision of chapter 3 and 4. Thank you, children.